Hello to another quick tutorial about AURUM Foundation, about our Telegram mini app, the neobank actually, and the trading bots inside. I want to talk about reinvest or compounding, which is so powerful, which is free of charge, and which you actually can do every single day if you have the time, because once understanding the power of compounding, this, ladies and gentlemen, is nothing but insane. I'm doing it every Saturday. I try my very best to have the time for doing it every day, but I will show you how to grab everything in order to compound the maximum. So we are here in the Bitcoin scenario. You can see it's running for 3 days now, 16 hours. In that time it made 0.0046 something Bitcoin, and I want to put this current profit into the total amount, which is 0.36765 blah 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 Bitcoin. So what we have to do is, first, if you are also making use of the amazing partner program, the affiliate program, you go there, because if in your team people are using this trading bot in neobank, in Telegram as well, you most probably will find referral commissions here. So if you scroll down to the withdraw commission scenario, this is the first thing to do. You can see I have $2,232 available, but we are doing the example with Bitcoin, so I'm choosing Bitcoin. And here we are. There are affiliate commissions of 0.000264 Bitcoin. And I'm taking it in total, and I say confirm transfer down below, and free of charge and in real time, this has been added to my main wallet. So if you are not in the affiliate, you just skip this step, and we are going back to the bot by pressing on the rocket on the lower right side, going back to Bitcoin. And now what we have to do is we are simply stopping the bot. What does that mean? It will realize the profit made, and it will take the principal amount, and both together will be put to your wallet. So we will have in the wallet the commissions, our own profit, and our principal deposit, and we can start the bot all over again. One thing is important, because if I say stop bot, it will tell me, hey, when you stop the trading bot, all current trades will be closed automatically, which means if there are open trades, that might be closed in that moment with a loss or with a win or with a gain. So let's go here, and we see there's one live trade still in. And for the sake and for the reason to do this video, I am still doing it because, as you see, there was no negative deals in the last 3 days. I'm doing it now. I recommend to you, when you see a live trade, wait for a bit until it is completed like all the others, and you do it only then. But now, to finish this video, I will stop the bot. I confirm that I understood what's going to happen, and here we are. Bitcoin is out of it. Now we're going in the wallet just to double check. As I told you, it's happening in real time. So we see we have taken out all our principals, 0.37. We have transferred from the commissions this 0.000264, which of course is positive. It's showing that it has taken out, but it's not a negative number. And we have taken out the profit as well. So all in all, we are now seeing in Bitcoin a new number, which is 0.3814. Okay, now we have the affiliate commission, the current profit, and the principal back in the wallet. From here, we can now take it out to our Tangent wallet or wherever you are storing your profits. But I want to bring it back into the bot, so I'm pressing again the rocket. I'm now going here on top on not active, which is actually showing me that only this one is colored and available to choose, which I'm doing. It shows me the overall balance, which I'm clicking and confirming with max. I say start trading bot, and now compounding like a Swiss watch, free of charge, real time, now happening with 0.381464. And this, I try my level best now to remember to do this every single day, as this is so powerful. I hope this helps. Good luck, and see you in Antalya.